Alright, welcome to my unboxing video of a new toy that I got. Well, more specifically for my wife. We got a Mega Moto 212 mini bike. This thing is supposed to be a kit that comes with everything you need except for an engine. So you could put a Predator 212 engine to it, a Tilson 212 engine to it, a Honda, I want to say, is it a GX200, something like that. But that's a general idea. So let's open up this thing and see what we got. Alright. Look at that right off the top. Got some fancy stickers. Go Power Sports. That's where I got it from, by the way. And we are looking at, this is a packing list, not a price. But I think this is about $5.79. With shipping and everything, it was like $620 total. That was with $70 shipping. So yeah, $5.50, $5.49. Alright, let's get a closer look. My tripod right here. Alright, so looking into the box. We've got owner's manual, assembly instructions with another sticker. Put that right on the engine when I get it. Some pieces, parts here. Plastic parts here. Seat. Well, we got an A fender. Oh, we got two fenders. There's something else in here too. Alright, so this is the rear fender. Oh, the front fender with the bracket. Alright. Now this is a handlebar. So we got handlebars with the brakes and everything already attached. This looks like a brake caliper. There's a handlebar with front and rear brake controls. The accelerator's not on here, so I'm assuming it gets in a box somewhere. Oh, there it is. Alright, so here's the front and rear brake calipers already mounted to the handlebar. Got a headlight. I didn't know it came with a headlight. The one that was pictured did not. So this is a bonus. Of course, that means I need an engine now. I can put out some power or a battery or something. We'll figure that out. Oh, here we go. Here's the throttle control and the throttle cable. Here is, what is that? This looks like it might be the front fork bolt. It might be an axle, but it's kind of thin. And then in here, some piece of metal. Look at the Chinese writing on a newspaper. Obviously made in China. I'm assuming it's Chinese. Got a box with, oh, there you go, part of the centrifugal clutch here, the torque converter, sorry, not centrifugal clutch, it's a torque converter. And the other part of the torque converter. And this would be the cover for the torque converter. Alright, here's part of the front forks. With the bearings. Alright, it's done. We get a bunch of miscellaneous bags here. Here's the chain. Little toolkit. Some bag of miscellaneous hardware. And, well, this would be the kickstand. And wait, there's more. We got the foot pegs. Alright. Here we've got the front suspension shocks. Alright, this is also part of the front fork system. For the handlebars to mount on. Here's some plastic body parts. Ooh, look at that. It actually says Mega Moto 212. Again, that wasn't in the picture of the one I ordered, but I like that. Nice little touch. Here we have a cable. I'm assuming this is an accelerator cable. And more nuts and bolts, miscellaneous hardware. I see chain tensioner. Alright, I think now the only thing else I can find in there I can reach are the two tires in the frame. supposed to be the front tire. Got the brake disc. Here's another axle. So that long bolt I found before, that was probably an axle. I thought it'd be a little thicker. Here's the rear tire, obviously. The brakes. There's some pieces down there. We have a bearing. I'm willing to bet the bearing came from the jack shaft down here. Electrical wires for the light. Here's a tube of some sort, an O-ring. There's 2 O-rings. Let's just put them both on here so we know where they're at. Oh, this is probably the jack shaft, because there's the gear. And I think all we got left is the frame. With the whole camera there. Check the box. Alright, I did find this in the box. A little piece of black plastic. Don't know what that is, but we're going to hang on to that just in case. But here we are. We're looking at the frame of the Mega Moto 212. And here are all the parts that we took out of the box. Alright, well, that is the unboxing of the Mega Moto 212, and we'll be having more of this project coming up soon. Thanks for watching.